How to fast forward a video on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Then, find the reel you want to watch. Not all reels have the fast forward and rewind option, but if the reel does support it, you will see a progress bar at the bottom of the screen. This bar represents the duration of the reel. To fast forward or rewind, simply tap and hold the circle on the progress bar and drag it to the right to skip ahead or to the left to go back. This allows you to move to any part of the reel without having to watch the whole video from the beginning. If you do not see this bar at the bottom of a reel, that means the fast forward and rewind feature is not available for that specific reel. This usually happens with shorter reels or reels posted in a certain format. If you find that some reels have this option while others don't, that is completely normal. If you experience any issues with the feature, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Sometimes, features like this may not work properly if you're using an older version of the app. That's how to fast forward a video on Instagram.